Yo, 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 yo. What's up, guys, man? It is I think it's day 7. Day 7 of the journey. I apologize to you guys. I've been kind of busy as hell this week, bro. I've been going back and forth. But I still been getting my workout in and still getting my grind in, bro. But I do want to say I apologize to y'all. I did drop 2 videos last week. I don't think nothing's gonna beat my first week that I dropped. I dropped like 4 videos in 1 week. Bro, I dropped so many videos in 1 week, bro. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get back into the scene of like dropping a lot more. It's just like editing. Damn, editing. Fuck, am I slow or something? Editing a video, bro, and then recording the video, having like a nightlife, having a day life, and just having a personal life. That shit really is like, the shit get hard, twin. I ain't gonna sit here and lie, bro. Like, the shit get hard, bro. But what I will say, bro, I'm proud to sit here and just say, bro, I'm still going along with this gym journey. Right now it is 1 o'clock. It's 1:15. It is 1:15, bruh. And today is today is chest day. Today is chest day and back day. So I'm actually kind of excited about this lift today. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. I started working out my chest a lot when I first started working out for real. And this week right here, I changed up my split. My split this week has been more of a base. It's been more of a base type of split. Like, I choose a workout that I do twice. So I did legs like 2 times this week. Like, I did legs twice. I think I got legs again tomorrow too, on a Saturday. But I did legs twice already. So I think that's what I'm gonna start doing for my splits from here on out. I'm gonna just start like doing my splits more of a base, bro. Like, all right, this the base for the week. Like, okay, I'm doing, like, say if I do arms next week, all right, this is the base for the arms. I do arms like 3 times out of the week, but I do arms and shoulder. I do biceps. Well, okay, say biceps is the base. I do biceps and shoulders, or I do biceps and goddamn triceps, or I do biceps and chest. I'm gonna start doing my workouts like this next week. I think next week my base gonna be chest. So y'all might see a lot of chest next week, because of this one I'm trying to focus on. But yeah, man, like the workouts, bro. I've been working out a lot this week, bro. I think I gained like a lot of muscle, low key. Just coming in here every day into the gym. Hopefully right now it's not gonna be that many people like packed out in the gym right now. It is 1 o'clock, so I highly doubt anybody's in the gym. If they are, they're probably like older dude or something like that, or probably most likely like a dude or something like that. They just trying to work out in the gym, or probably like a young dude. I don't know. But hopefully I got the gym to myself today. I can just record and vlog and don't be like kind of shy. I ain't gonna lie, cause I still be being shy sometimes, bro. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to y'all, bro. I still be being shy. Not because, like, you know, but just because, like, I just been not really used to the YouTube. Like, I always wanted to do the YouTube shit like that, but I never really got into it. But yeah, man, just trying to get to doing that right now. So next week, I'm gonna try to like do more of a drop. I'm gonna try to edit like every video. I'm trying to like edit like Monday, okay, workout Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm trying to drop like at least 5 videos Monday. I know it's probably might be hard, but I be seeing people doing that little shit, and I be like, God damn, like, how they doing that little shit? Like, they don't get tired of editing. Like, they just go straight to it. Like, and like I said, it's pretty cool, bro. It's pretty cool to me. So I'm gonna try to get back in that shit, bro. I'm gonna try to edit and like just try to get through this shit, bro. For real. Like, I love doing this YouTube shit. Do I want to keep doing this YouTube shit full time? 100%. 100%. But it just get tiring. It be getting tiring, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and lie, bro. Shit be getting tiring. I ain't gonna sit here and lie, bro. Like, Yeah, I be hating coming doing this shit sometimes, bro. I just want to go to the gym and just hit the gym and just like get a little good pump in, bro. Just go home and just vibe out, little twin. Like, I hate recording at the gym sometimes, bro. But I'm recording the gym today just because it's like late as fucking night. I'm pretty sure nobody's in the gym. I can do what the fuck I want to do. So just bump some music and then just ball out, bro. So yeah, bro, I just finished the last episode of both Invincible and The Boys. I'm ready for next Wednesday because new episodes is coming out. Now The Boys, bro, I haven't really just seen Daredevil yet. I heard like a lot of people been talking about it. I don't really pay attention to Daredevil for real. But I know who he is by just playing the Capcom vs. Marvel game. I used to play with him a lot on that game. But I'm gonna start watching that shit, bro. I just want to see how that shit hit, bro. Like, I ain't never really just noticed him before or just like ever wanted to like to watch the show. But I heard like a lot of people, I've been knowing who Bullseye was, but I just don't know about the Daredevil dude or anybody like that, bro. But I gotta start watching that shit. I think they're like connected to like Spider-Man. If you know me, I don't really fuck with Spider-Man like that. If y'all know me, bro, I'm a Captain America type of nigga, like for the whole rest of my life. I'm Captain America, Batman type of dude, goddamn Soldier Boy, goddamn Black and Noir, like, I'm one of them type of niggas, bro. I ain't never really just cared about all the little superpowers and shit like that. Give me a raw ass nigga, they gonna fight a nigga, like beat a nigga ass and shit, you know? So, I ain't even gonna sit here and say that I tuned into the show already, but I do need to start watching the show, bro. I do need to start watching that shit, bro, just because it's like Batman or anything like that. And I heard he fight pretty good. Like, I heard Daredevil don't really got powers for real like that. So I gotta see how that nigga talking about, bro. I gotta see what that nigga talking about, bro. Last week episode of The Boys, that shit went good as fuck. That nigga said no cap on God, bro. Like, what the fuck is the Deep on, bro? The Deep really funny as fuck. But I have yet to see that nigga powers for real, bro. I feel like this season right here, he gonna ball out for real. I feel like one episode, he gonna die one episode, but I feel like that nigga gonna real like ball out, bro. He gonna do some some badass shit to Homelander or some shit like that. I'm real, I never really fucked with Homelander. Never did. Like, I never liked the people like superheroes that had like powers and shit like that. I never really cared like about Superman, Sentry, all that little shit like that. I feel like that shit right there, like, it's cheat. It's like cheating, like, you having a power. Like, just go fight a nigga, like, y'all just using y'all powers and shit like that. But, besides power, bro, did y'all see what the fuck Thrag did, dude? Thrag had a goddamn, I don't even know, that nigga went bonkers on niggas a few days ago, bro. And, like, I ain't never doubted Thrag. Like, I been knew Thrag was on that shit, bro. I got the comic of Thrag, but I didn't know that they were gonna ball out like this, bro. That nigga was beating niggas' asses on, like, whatever that shit dropped. That nigga was whooping straight ass. That nigga was giving straight BTA, bro. And, like, that nigga was just chopping niggas up, beating the fuck out of niggas. That nigga was just doing straight one hand. Nigga did a goddamn airbend to a punch. Like, what the fuck? Like, I ain't never seen no nigga do that shit like that. And they think they gonna beat that nigga? Man, we probably ain't gonna see that shit until, like, 2029, bro. I'm gonna be, like, 40, dude. I'm gonna be 30 years old. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be like 25. I'm gonna be 25 by the time that nigga fight that nigga, bro. So that shit gonna be hard, though. I'm really ready for that shit to come up, though. But the main topic, really, for the day, I'm not gonna give y'all like any type of motivation. I know y'all probably get tired of hearing that sometimes. My TikToks do be going viral, though. They be doing some good shit, though. I know y'all don't want to hear that shit today, but if y'all see this shit, what type of music do y'all listen to when y'all working out? I'm gonna post this on TikTok. Like, what type of music do y'all listen to when y'all working out, bro? I want y'all like to slide up below in the comments on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, anything like that. Like, what type of YouTube video, what type of music do y'all listen to when y'all working out, bro? I be seeing like a lot of people that listen to like hard style music. I don't really fuck with that, bro. I heard that go in that bit, turn on some hot shit, like, you know, like some Chiller, R. Kelly on some niggas, and just pump up some weight, goddamn. Like, I don't even really be in the gym, gotta be hyped. I'm already be hyped. Like right now, I'm hyping for it to get to the gym. Like I'm pumped up. Like my energy going right now. But for real, like I be in the bit listening to like Lucky or some shit like that. Now, y'all know me, bro. Lucky has been like one of my favorite rappers since I was like 13 years old, bro. Like 2013, 2014 on some shit. I remember, and my mama can vouch for me when I say this. I started listening to Lucky. I used to be on like this big ass cloud rap wave, bro. And I was like in like middle school, like 7th grade, something like that. Like I said, I'm 23 years old. So around the time, bro, I just be in my room, bro, on SoundCloud with my JBL headphones in, bro. I used to like poke holes in the sides so the bitch can be like air boosted, like not air boosted, you know what I'm saying, speaker boosted and shit like that. And I remember this one song, bro. I don't remember the name. I do remember the name of it, but I don't know. It came out the same year that I heard the song. It was like SZA and Chance the Rapper. It was called Child's Play. I used to listen to that shit like a lot. Like I used to listen to that shit so much. I used to be in the room just bumping to it, like just geeked up. I used to listen to the music and like looking at like dumb shit on YouTube or something like that. And then this one song called 197 Trap Talk came out around that time right there. Now that's the first song I actually ever heard from Lucky. That song right there. And, you know, on SoundCloud, bro, like it'll just go back and forth. Like, you know, it'll play like another song that you like, that you listen to. Like it'll play like the same type of variety version of a song. And like, I started listening to him, bro. And like I was fucking with the dude. And don't be real, I never knew people was listening to him until I started watching this dude named Bruce. Now Bruce, I started watching Bruce when I was like in 9th grade, bro. He was like real cool with this one dude named J Money Johnson, bro. Like, and I never knew like that he used to listen to the dude, and like it was kind of like shocking because like I'm not the only one listening to Lucky, bro. And like where I'm from, bro, you don't really see that shit for real. Like I'm from Mississippi, bro, so it's just like niggas don't listen to Lucky down there for real. And like and if they do, it's like the young Lucky, it's like the older Lucky. I mean, like the new Lucky, like. Don't bump Twin like that like I do, bro. Like I've been bumping Twin since I was like in middle school. Like that been my favorite rapper. Like that nigga has been number 1 on my playlist, on my list for like 5 years in a row. Just cause how much I listen to that nigga, bro. But yeah, man, that's what I do at the gym. And like I said, I ain't want to give y'all no motivational speech today. I might give y'all one tomorrow. I don't know. I might give y'all one tomorrow. I don't know. Just depending on how I feel, man. Do I need some motivation, my nigga? Nah. But nah, bro. We just made it to the gym, man. Finna go set it up. We gonna start out with, what can we start out with? I'm gonna start out with chest first. I'm gonna do chest first. And then after that, bro, we're gonna get straight to it, bro. I'll see y'all in a little minute, man. All right, first exercise we got for the day. It's flies, man. No, flies. I like flies a lot, bro. I like to go light just to get the chest warmed up, honestly, for the day. I got it on 175 right now. It's just to get the chest warmed up, though. Oop. Just trying to target the chest. Good rep of 6. Jeez. Alright. Just to get the chest warmed up. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah. Go down some, try to knock out 12. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now I feel the burn on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I feel that shit. Shit. I'm gonna do 2 more sets of this. We'll do another set of this, 1 more set. Jeez. Alright, we got the same thing, but we're gonna do more of a 1 hand, 1 arm. This is one of my favorite chest workouts, honestly. This is my favorite chest workout. I'll take that back. Just come out right here. Just go in. This is my favorite chest workout for sure. Alright, just 1 set down. set it up. That look, you feel good. I felt the burn, like right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I feel that shit right there. Good little set. I need to start doing my push-ups, man. I'm bullshitting. I'm not doing my push-ups right now. Matter of fact, let me go and knock some out. 8, 4, 8, 10. Ooh. Shit. All right. All right, come on. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go up the weight a little bit. I don't know why I'm not talking right now. I be forgetting I'm really recording, bro. I just be wanna just work out, bro. Sometimes I really be hating the recording sometimes, bro. I hate fixing the camera and shit, you know. Doing the shit like that. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Honestly, when I'm doing like the chest, these chest workouts, I like to get like a good squeeze in. I like to be able to feel that shit like a big ass fucking brick, like right here. But my chest is hard as fuck right now. But I'm gonna be real, my chest has always been like more in the complexion. I've never been like a fatty chest for real, for real. It has been like when I was younger, but right now it's like more of a block now. My chest is pretty buff right now. I just wish I can get rid of the bottom. The bottom, honestly, is like the hardest part of losing of the chest, honestly. Honestly, to me, in my opinion. Come on, that's it, come on. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. All right, next exercise, honestly. No, I was gonna do incline, but I was like, you know what? We're not really just fucking with that shit today. I'm gonna knock out like 4 sets of these, 2 sets of these, 3 sets of 3 plates. 2, 3. When I'm doing bench press, I like to gradually like not grow, but go up, honestly. Like I do like 8, then I do 3 plates for like, you know, so-and-so, like 5 reps or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? I don't really like to go on like 3 plates for 10, you know, 2 plates for 10, cool. 2 plates for 10 again, cool. Then I go down 3 plates of 8, or I add 25 on there, so, you know. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I fuck with it. Now I went up for a little bit. I went up 10 pounds, so that's 10, 245. See what we can do. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now it's time for back now. Now it's time for the prize of the day. Chest, really, you really don't have to do that many exercises for chest, bro. Honestly, bro. Like, chest should be like main like 4 workouts, bro. For real, for real. There shouldn't be that many fucking workouts for chest. Like, I don't see why people be doing all these fucking workouts for chest. There's only like a few workouts that you need to be doing, honestly, for like the body that you want. And it's like mainly like biceps, triceps, and mainly legs, bro. Like all the other shit, like, hell no, not that much. Not that much shit. Honestly, not that much. All right, come on, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do another set of this right here. Another set of this. This is pretty good. I like how that felt towards the back. We're gonna keep it with the 2 plates right now until I get my form down. Now, what I meant earlier with my form, basically, last week I was doing more of a leaning back, you know, boom. Like, it's easy, yeah, honestly, that's easy. But trying to do like a more of resistance of going against the grain. Just trying to go against that grain, bro. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to make sure I keep that chest on that pad. And I apologize, y'all, if I'm not really talking that much, but like my nose is running like crazy right now. As y'all can see, I'm sick as a motherfucker. So it's okay. Come on, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Fuck. Alright, we got the same exercise, honestly, but that's right, it's gonna be more of a one-hander, so we're gonna go down the weight, probably on like 85, something like that. 85. Jeez. Alright. We're gonna do 2 sets of those again. 2 sets of these. I love this exercise so much, bro. This exercise is so amazing, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I love this exercise so fucking much, bro. This exercise is so amazing. Like, this shit, it fucks with your lat so much. This is amazing. 2, 3. All right, y'all. Coming down to a wind up. At the end, I'm just do like a little bit of chest press. Like a hold of a chest press. I'm gonna do 145 for the first set. See how this shit feels. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's a little light. 1, 2, 3. It's like the more that I stop, that's the more that I get, like the more tired I get. Like the fatigue I get, like that, my endurance like slows down. I need to get better with my recovery. Yeah, recovery has to come first. 1, 2, 3. This is the last thing right here. This is most definitely the last thing. I'll give y'all a talk when I get in the car of why this is gonna be the last thing. All right. Oh yeah, I like that. One, two, three. Alright, almost it, man. One, two, three. Let's go. Fuck. I'll see you at the car. Alright, YouTube. What did I say? Alright, YouTube. I got to just talk to y'all. But I'm back in the car. Man. I got some good news and bad news, bro. I like to start off with the bad news first. But the bad news, really not really bad news. It's just more of a, I need to do better. But the bad news is that for some reason today, bro, I was not, I was, you know what I'm saying? Like, I remember I came with the energy, like I was like, yeah, bro, today chest day, today back day, like my 2 favorite workouts today. Now, I had those 2 workouts down packed. Like, I'm sore. I feel it. Like, I feel it all up in my body. Like, my chest is hitting. Everything is hitting right now. But for some odd reason, bro, I didn't feel like doing it today. Honestly. I did not. I didn't. Honestly, I did not feel like doing chest today. I did not feel like working out that day at all. I think my fatigue is going down because of the sleep that I've been getting, bro. I have not really gotten the best of sleep this week. I've been going to sleep around like 1 or like 12, like every day, because I just been on the road, like back and forth. And I go to the gym around like 8, and I leave around like 11:30, come home, shower. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do like late night shit, bro. But I think next week, right? I think I'm gonna try to schedule like a day of the week, 2 days of the week. I know Sunday's gonna be a rest day. I think what I'm gonna do is do Wednesdays and Sundays like a rest day, and I do cardio on those days just to get my cardio back. Because holy, bro, like right now, bro, my body is so fatigued. Like, I'm finna go sleep like a baby after I take this shower. Like, dead ass. Like, I'm finna go sleep like a kid. I'm not waking up no time soon at all, bro. Just because I know I need to sleep. I know I need the rest. But it's also the saying like, I feel like I don't want to give up on my progress that I'm getting, bro. And the good news is this. I'm almost in the 260 range right now. I'm 273. Now, that's awesome. Like, honestly, that's awesome. 273 range, bro. That's perfect. That's what we need. That's what we're trying to get to. That's what we want, honestly. That's what we're trying to get to. That's what we do. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'll be 260 by the end, before the cruise. I'll be 260 before the cruise for sure. I know I will, because the way I'm moving right now and the way my diet is right now, like I'm eating like good food. I'm not eating bad. I'm getting all my carbs in. My carbs is not bad. Hopefully you guys can see me, bro. I don't know why my camera keep doing that. But my carbs isn't bad. Like I'm eating very, very good. Like I'm in my calorie deficit. I'm getting my cardio in like I'm supposed to. It just being able to do more. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gaining muscle. I went back to the nutrition place that said I'm gaining more muscle. So that's a plus. Now it's just more of a, okay, let's see if we can still do it, you know? So next week, I feel like I'll be in the 260 range. My goal, like I said, my goal is to be 230, like lean muscle. As y'all can see, my muscles are getting flexor. My muscles are getting fuller, I meant. And they're getting like, you know, veins getting them popping more, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta keep eating the best foods and getting my rest in. I'm gonna try to get my cardio in like at least twice a week, bro. I'm gonna look up on TikTok to see what they say, to see how they feel about it, like getting rest days twice a week. Cause I know I'll take a rest day on Sunday, 100%. That's like my only rest day, like on a Sunday. But I think I'm gonna start doing 2 rest days out of the week, honestly. Tomorrow, I don't know what we have. I don't know what I got tomorrow. I'm gonna look on my notes to see what I got tomorrow. To see, hopefully it's like biceps or tricep day. I don't know. Hopefully it's one of those 2 days. But I kind of think it's gonna be a leg day. Matter of fact, let me go look. I think it's gonna be a leg day. That's what tomorrow. Oh, never mind. Tomorrow is a arm and core day on my notes. Arms and core. Okay. Arms is gonna be pretty good. I'll take that. I'll take arms any day out of the week. I'll take arms, and I got core. So the workout shouldn't be that long tomorrow. Workout should not be long at all tomorrow. I'll probably do like a little motivation speech or something like that tomorrow. See what I want to talk about to you guys or something like that. But yeah, man, I got arms tomorrow. I know I did chest and back today, so it's basically like doing arms again. But yeah, man, it's gonna be more of a bicep, tricep day. That's it. Nothing crazy. I'm trying to like knock that workout in, get that shit done. Try to keep up with my calorie deficit again this week. I'm not gonna take a cheat day. I'm not gonna take a cheat day until I hit 260. When I hit 260, that's when we can take a cheat day. No lie, we can take a cheat day on 260. No lie. Not no goddamn, no more. Cause I took that cheat day last weekend, bro. That shit had me back 2 pounds. Like hell fucking no. We not doing no cheat day. We just gonna goddamn keep balling and keep striding, bro. Like, cause like we're finna reach this goal. And like somebody asked me a few days ago, that was like, what are you gonna do once you hit your goal? Bro, I'm gonna just have fucking fun with it. Like I might do a bulk up again. I might go 300 lean. I might do 300 lean. I don't know. You never know. Like I just want to be able to have fun with my body, eat what I want to eat, feel how I want to feel, and just do what I want to do, bro. Like I felt like when I was a bigger dude, I couldn't eat how I wanted to eat, bro. Like I would rather say to myself, like, cutting is harder than bulking. Like I hate when people be like, bulking is so hard, bro. No, the fuck it's not. Nigga, a meal, if you look at a meal on bulking, bro, and then a meal on fucking cutting, dude, like it's so fucking annoying, bro. Like, cause you gotta stay on your deficit, bro. Like, I gotta eat 1 piece of chicken, rice, and some broccoli. What the fuck? I don't wanna do that shit. Nah. But when I'm bulking, I can eat 3 pieces of chicken, hella rice, and hella broccoli. Or I can eat a donut for breakfast and a cereal for my lunch. Like I want to do that shit too, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't want to just be eating like goddamn greens and beans and shit. Like nah, bro. So I'm gonna have fun with this cut shit, bro, and then hopefully I have real fun with the bulking, man. It's gonna be pretty fun, bro. So I don't really got too much else to say. I just want to say I love y'all, bro. I see y'all guys in like probably like in 12 hours, bro. Like I see y'all like not too long, bro. And I just want to say, bro, thank y'all for watching, man. Hopefully you guys like the videos, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I get into the algorithm soon, bro, so I can go and get started, bro. But yeah, man, I love y'all, bro. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, man. I'll see y'all later on today, okay? Bye-bye.